What is Meta Andromeda? How does that affect us? Meta Ads has been using AI tracking for a long time. There's a lot of fluctuations, and that's not Andromeda's fault. Like I said, what you're trying to do is get new data. So that being said, once you have the target and once your test campaign's running, what you're going to want to do is for each concept, 3 videos, same script, different visual hooks, 3 images, same hook, different visuals, ship 8 iterations, plus 2 new message ads each week. Test that out. This is going to be, you can call it your Andromeda CBO campaign. This is just going to be pure, I'm spending money to test out what this AI does and how far it can go and what's different than my current strategy. Structure setup. Like I said, test the campaign for the first week, do weekly updates to the creatives, just as you would a normal campaign on Meta. Do daily optimization, call all the campaigns that aren't performing well, check the performance analysis, and do that as well on our Meta Ads Optimization Profitability Assistant. That can be found if you look at the description, or just message me if you can't find it. As usual, as any platform goes, just the more you do, the better you get at it, the better results. So continue that, and you have nothing to worry about this Andromeda update. Like I said, if you need some help, I've got the Meta Ads Assistant optimization. You can just add all of your files here. Just comment below or find it in the description. If you want a full audit of your brand, you can go do that at viralbrandworks.com, and I'm happy to help.